guys, Tonya Vann here, and I'm here with September's fashion fix. So I'm so excited to open this up. Some of these sets, I haven't really looked at them fully, but I took a quick peek and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I cannot wait to show you these gorgeous sets of jewelry. And I'm gonna start with one that's really different, which is really, I was like, I'm really feeling this. This is totally my style, especially with my kind of boho looking hair I got going on right now, which this will not be this way for very long, but it's just an in-between style. But this is the Sunset Sightings set, and you can see a little peek of it there. Let's open it up and take a look. Wow, look at that. So cute. And these are the earrings. So cute. So that is the necklace. This is the bracelet. Isn't that fun? I love fun jewelry. That's cute and different. I'm totally keeping one of these sets for myself. That's cute. So that's the bracelet. Ooh, look at those. Those are the earrings. Gorgeous. Love those. And then I will show you the ring. And I even got my nails done. These are my all dashing nails. I did another video about this company, and they're actually press-on nails, but they're different. They're very flexible and thin and lightweight. They look really pretty. And here's the ring. That's the ring. Super cute. I love long rings. And if you have little short fingers, that's probably not going to work for you. But for me and us longer fingered girls, that is really, really cute. The next one we're going to look at is Glimpses of Malibu. Oh, I should have showed you this side. That's a better sneak peek. So this is the necklace. Ooh, that's the necklace. That is so pretty. These are the matching earrings. Such a pretty color. Look at this bracelet. Wow. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. And then of course you get a bigger pair of earrings as well. So these are the earrings. So cute. That is really pretty. I like that set. And then that's the ring. Wow. So cute. So that is Glimpses of Malibu. Simply Santa Fe. I don't even need to read the label. The turquoise gives it away. Wow. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Thicker silver chain. Gorgeous. And these are the matching earrings. Really cute. Now that is a little bit heavier than most of our jewelry. Definitely. That's one of our heavier pieces. Just so you know. I can't believe this jewelry is $5 each. I mean, $5? Really? Wow. That's gorgeous. Ooh, this ring is big. So if you may have seen my other video where I explained you can take some of these bars off to make these rings smaller. This ring is definitely too big for me. Like, I think that fits my thumb. Yeah, it's even big on my thumb. So all you do is you get, you know, like the little pliers that come in your jewelry kit. To be honest, you could bite it off with your teeth if you had to. You're just gonna take off the balls at the end. See, there's a ball at this tip and there's a ball down at that tip. You wanna just break those off. They're very easy to break off. And then the bar in the middle, this bar will then open and it'll come right off. And you wanna take off as many of those as you need to make this fit you. Because as you take off each of these, they're acting kind of like spacers. So as you take them off, the ring will get smaller because it's like an elastic band there, and then these spacers are keeping it stretched. So as you take them off, it'll get smaller. This is definitely too big for me. And these are the earrings. Ooh, so pretty. So let's go ahead and see this whole set. Ah, that is gorgeous. Yeah, I love it. All right, let's take a look at Magnificent Musings. September is always great, and I love it because it's my birthday month. Happy birthday to me. Don't forget to take out these staples. Look at that, I love the simple elegance. Wow, and then look at the matching earrings. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Right? Ooh. Wait till you see this. Y'all, look at this. What? Why are they gonna give us this gorgeous jewelry during COVID pandemic? What? All right, I'm gonna have to do another date night like I did with my husband on my patio. Did you guys see that video? If not, I'll have to put a link for it up above somewhere. I don't know which way to point, but you gotta see that date night I set up with him. It was a surprise. I need somewhere to wear this beautiful jewelry. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's amazing. I think that's my favorite ever. Ever. This is the bracelet. So pretty. It's kind of big, and it's not easy to make smaller. And the ring. Yeah, my shirt, it literally says social distancing queen. So I ain't going nowhere. And they're giving us this gorgeous jewelry. They are not right. I feel like I'm one of the only people who's still staying home. But, you know, my husband has some major health issues and we are not taking any chances. Ooh, look at this ring. Oh, this is gorgeous. So pretty. I love it. That is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Next is Fiercely Fifth Avenue, and as always you can see a little bit of bling in there. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. So that's the necklace. So pretty. These are the matching little earrings. Oh, sorry. 1 second. They're just little bling dangly little earrings. You can see one of them there. And then your bigger pair of earrings. Got a nice, beautiful, blingy pair of hoops. Gorgeous hoops. Those are cute. This is the bracelet. That's pretty, and it opens. Ooh, love that. That's the ring. Wow. Got some pretty jewelry for $5, guys. Wow. So this one's a little big on me too. This is a skinny band, but these can also come off and be adjusted, just like the bigger ones. All right, now we've got the exclusives and the hostess rewards. So I'm gonna start with the exclusives. Ooh, that's pretty. And then it's got the cute little dangly rhinestone earrings. So cute. That's different. And then the matching earrings. You can see that. So yeah, just a nice long copper necklace, you know, look cute with a sweater or something for fall. So this one you slide your wrist in, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's cute. I like it. It's just kind of big and bulky to me, but it is beautiful and different. So yeah, I would wear it. Yeah, it's cute. Ooh, that's pretty. I like the leaves. Can you see the leaves on there? That's very pretty. I'm always impressed by the detail that they put into this $5 bling. Love, love, love these so much. So cute. All right, so now the hostess rewards. Ooh, that's gorgeous. It looks kind of white on camera, but it's actually like a very pale lavender color. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it's more of a lavender. It's really pretty. Almost lavender slash gray looking. Those are the matching earrings. Well, this would have been great 4th of July. But have it for next year if I don't sell it. So that's super cute. I'll probably keep this for next year for 4th of July. And this ring is called Stand Your Ground gold ring. Why would they name this ring Stand Your Ground? Sorry guys, I'm having a moment. That is very weird to me. But this is it. Stand Your Ground gold ring. Yeah, interesting. And then the last one is Herbal Remedy multi-earring. It's kind of a different name too. And that is Herbal Remedy multi-earrings. I could see somebody loving these earrings. I like them, but I can't say like, ooh, I love those. But I really do like them. But I could see somebody really loving those. So that's it, guys. That's everything for the September Fashion Fix sets. Really beautiful jewelry, right? So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for the next video. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Take care, be safe. God bless. Bye.